Sophia, the wife. As a first-time home buyer, she is eager to learn how Islamic home financing works, particularly the Sharia principle behind the financing.
I think this time is suitable for us to buy our own house. Maybe we can apply for joint home financing together.
Okay, dear.
I heard what finance house provide home financing.
Okay, dear. Let's go and ask for more.
And this is Mr. Anas, the husband. Together with his wife, he is planning to purchase their first completed home through joint Islamic home financing. He wants to understand the financing process before submitting the applications.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am very good morning. Welcome to Kuwait Finance House Malaysia.
This is IZZATI, an Islamic financing officer at Kuwait Finance House Malaysia. She is responsible for assisting customers, explaining the Islamic home financing process and ensuring that every application complies with Sharia principles and the bank's financing policies.
Thank you. Okay, my name is IZZATI. I'm one of the officer members today, financing officer here. May I assist both of you today?
My wife and I planning to buy a complete house and we are interested in applying for joint Islamic home financing. Before we submit our application, we would like to understand more about the financing process and how it works.
Yes, this is our first home, so we want to make sure we understand everything clearly, especially the Sharia aspect of the financing.
Alright, no problem. Once again, thank you for choosing Kuwait Finance House Malaysia. Okay, I will explain everything to both of you, including the financing process, the Sharia contract use, eligibility requirements, estimate monthly installment, and the document needed for your application. Okay, before we start, may I have both of you your IC for verification?
Sure.
Yes, true. Okay, beside my card, I also need supporting document to process your application. Alright.
Here I was submitting my and my IC.
Alright, thank you. So this includes the statement, latest 3 months salary, employment confirmation letter, good, income tax document, and last but not least, sales and agreement purchase. Okay, good. Having a complete document will help process smoother and faster. Okay, before I continue, do both of you have a question regarding of Islamic home financing?
Yes. I would like to know the difference between conventional home financing and Islamic home financing.
Sure, I will explain in a simple way. Okay, the main difference is concept use. For conventional financing, the bank provide a loan to the customer and charge interest, which is we known as riba. Okay, however, in Islamic home financing, the bank does not use interest because riba is prohibited in Islam. Instead of that, Islamic home financing, the bank use Sharia compliant contract, which is the bank earn profit from the proper transaction. Okay, Islamic financing also avoid three big elements such as riba, gharar, maisir. So this make Islamic more transparent and follow Islamic principle.
So the bank is not simply lending us money and charging market?
Yes, exactly. The financing is structured based on Sharia approved transaction. The profit amount, payment term and condition will be explained clearly before customers sign and agree the agreement. Okay. For your situation, since you are planning to purchase a complete residential property, we recommend KFH Home Financing I. This product based on community murabaha, which is Tawarruk concept.
We have heard about Tawarruk before, but we are not really sure about how it works. Can you explain it in simple way?
Of course. Okay, community murabaha or Tawarruk is a Sharia compliant financing agreement based on buying and selling activity. Okay, first, KFH purchase a Sharia compliant commodity from a supplier. Then KFH sell a commodity to the customer and agree selling price, including profit. Okay, after that, the commodity will be sold to another buyer, and the cash obtained from the transaction will be used for the house purchase. So the financing is not based on borrowing money with interest, but through a proper trading transaction.
So basically, the bank earn profit from the transaction.
Yes, that's correct.
Are there any eligibility requirements?
Yes, applicants should have stable income, good credit, and fulfill the bank requirements. For joint financing, your combined income will also be considered.
So our combined income can help increase our eligibility?
Yes, that is correct.
Could you provide an estimate calculation for us so that we can understand better?
Sure, let me provide you a simple illustration for both of you. Okay. Okay. For a house price, you need to pay 300,000 ringgit. Okay, profit rate 4%. Okay, and financing tenure is 30 years. Okay, monthly installment. Please note that this amount is only estimate and actual amount may vary depending on the financing term and profit rate offered by the bank. So estimate monthly installment approximately.
I see. The calculation help us estimate our monthly financial commitment.
Yes, exactly. It is important for customers to plan their finance carefully before making any decision.
Besides the monthly installment, are there any additional charge that we need to pay?
Yes, there may be several additional charges involved during the financing process. This includes stamp duty, legal fees, and disbursement fees. This amount depends on the financing and legal documentation process.
I understand. So we should also prepare additional funds beside the monthly installment?
Yes, that's correct.
Do we need any protection coverage together with the financing?
Yes, we highly recommend mortgage takaful and homeowner takaful. Mortgage takaful provide protection for the financing amount in case of unexpected situations. Homeowner takaful provide your property against risks such as fire and certain damages.
Wow, that sounds useful because it gives extra protection for us and our property.
Yes, exactly.
What if we want to settle our financing earlier than the agreed tenure?
Customer may enjoy IBRA or rebate for early settlement according to the bank's terms and conditions. This means customer may receive reduction in the remaining profit amounts.
That's good because it gives flexibility to customers.
Yes, definitely.
What happens if customer miss their monthly payment?
If customer delay payment, taklid or compensation charge may be imposed according to the Sharia guidelines. However, customers are encouraged to make payments on time to avoid additional charges.
I understand.
Okay.
How can we make our monthly payment?
Customers can make payment through the several methods such as salary deduction, auto debit, online banking, and bank transfer. This method make payment easier and more convenient.
It sounds very convenient.
What happens if customers continuously fail to make payment?
If customers continuously fail to make payment according to the agreement, the bank may take further action according to the bank term and conditions. The bank will first communicate with the customer and try to find suitable solution before taking further action.
I understand. So customers should ensure they make payment responsibly.
Yes. So could we meet with the branch manager regarding the approval of the joint home financing application?
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Assalamualaikum, Miss Diana.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, come in.
Okay, this is our applicant. This is the supporting document to apply home financing.
Oh, I see. Please have a seat first, Miss. Sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, Mr. Anas and Mrs. Sophia. And this is Diana, the branch manager of Quiet Finance House Malaysia. She is responsible for reviewing the financing applications and making the approval decisions based on the customer's financial eligibility and supporting documents.
I have reviewed your applications from my bank officer. So based on your stable employment, combined income, and also your financial profile, I am pleased to inform you that your joint home financing application is approved in principle. Thank you. Okay. That's your NIC. So, Miss, I hope my bank officer have negotiated our long-term and condition with you to ensure that you are aligned with our bank policies and financial goals. So all your supporting documents we're going to check it, and I'm going to give you our subject to final documentation and our approval. So in any case, if you are in public, if you are having public, so you may go to meet my bank officer. Okay. So thank you, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for choosing KFHI for your own home. Mr. Anas and Mr. Sophia has chosen their own home with KFHI with Sharia principle. KFHI home financing Sharia today, comfort tomorrow.
Together, they will demonstrate the complete process of applying for joint Islamic home financing for a completed house at Quiet Finance House Malaysia.